que dejaste. Y al
you wanted. From industry experts to award-winning writers and columnists, fleet owners. More information. This is a test of the broadcast stations of your area. Equipment that can quickly warn you during emergencies is being tested. If this had been an actual emergency, official messages would have followed the alert zone. This concludes this test of the emergency alert system. What?
You've got two of your buddies living there with you rent-free.
The civil authorities have issued a required weekly test for all of Alabama, all of Arkansas, all of Iowa, all of Illinois, all of Kansas, all of Louisiana, all of Minnesota, all of Missouri, all of Mississippi, all of North Dakota, all of Nebraska, all of Oklahoma, all of South Dakota, all of Tennessee, all of Texas, and all of Wisconsin beginning at 12 p.m. and ending at 1 p.m. Test message EAS open cap EAS feed configuration test message. The civil authorities have issued a required weekly test for all of Alabama, all of Arkansas, all of Iowa, all of Illinois, all of Kansas, all of Louisiana, all of Minnesota, all of Missouri, all of Mississippi, all of North Dakota, all of Nebraska, all of Oklahoma, all of South Dakota, all of Tennessee, all of Texas, and all of Wisconsin beginning at 11 a.m. and ending at 12 p.m. Test message EPAUSE open cap EAS feed configuration test message.
This is a test of the National Weather Service Hazardous Weather Warning System. You can hear warnings direct from the National Weather Service over the NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards system. Tests of this warning system on NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards are usually made each Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. When there is a possibility of severe weather, the test will be delayed until the next good weather day. The NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards system is equipped with a warning service called SAME. This is short for Specific Area Message Encoder. SAME allows people with special receivers to be notified of watches and/or warnings affecting only the county desired. SAME radios are especially useful for schools, hospitals, businesses, government agencies, radio and television stations. Due to an equipment malfunction, today's test was delayed, but this has been a test of the NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards system. At the end of this test, regular programming will resume.
About to begin, and we look back at the Rangers. And 20